All right, so to use this, you know, it's off right now. To turn it on, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this middle button here, universal on button, and what you're going to do is you're going to press it and hold it. And you let go of it and it's on. Right now I have it set to bicycle and PSI. You can change the PSI to different types of pressure readings, but I'm going to keep it on this because that's the one I'm going to use. Now if I want to change the mode, I would come down here and I would click this. Now it's for like a ball, a person. I don't know what you would do with a person. Car, motorcycle, bike, ball, person. So it goes car, motorcycle, bike, ball, person. Okay? But I'm going to use it on a bike. So I'm going to come to this one here. So you guys see that? Now, to hook it to your bike, you don't really need to put an attachment on it. You can just use this. Okay? That's ready to go. You just screw it on to that little thing on your bike and you're ready to do it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I've got it on 30 PSI. I can bring up the PSI by clicking this. So I'm just going to go up. It goes by half a PSI each time. And I'm going to go to 35. I think that's enough. It says 40, but this thing really blows up strong, so I don't want to go too crazy. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is my electric bike tire. And what I want to do is take the cap off first. Okay. Once I get the cap off, then I can go ahead and screw this on. So let me bring it a little bit closer. I'm going to set it on there. And I'm going righty-tighty to get the cap on. And as soon as I do that, you're going to see how many pounds of air I've got in here. Right? Oh, look at it turned off. Let me hold it, turn it on. So it will turn off automatically. Right now there's 6.5 pounds of pressure in there. To start it, all I got to do is press this one time and it'll start. Watch. All right, so anyway, I lowered the sound of this thing because it makes a hell of a racket, and I sped this up to about 1,000 times faster so you guys wouldn't have to sit there and watch it. So yeah, just know that it takes a little bit of time to fill up. Bam. And so once we hit 35, we're good. You can see it right here, right? So now if I wanted to go up a little bit, I could click it here. Let's go ahead and we'll put 38 in. And if I click it again, I should get 4 more pounds. Again, I lowered the sound and I did speed this up. Bam, Bob's your uncle. There we are. So this is done, ready to go. Now all you got to do is get it off of here by going lefty-loosey, right? Just like this. Gonna get a little air pumping out, but that's okay. And this one's ready to go. For some reason, I got a slow leak in this tire. I don't know where it is. I put a brand new tube in it. So I think I might have a little something in the tire itself. But anyway, that's how you use this. You can see I've got a full battery and I've already filled up 3 tires. So this thing works really great. And when you're finished with it, you can just screw this on there and it's like a little loop. But yeah, I would highly recommend this. If you guys have bikes and you need to fill up the tires, this thing works fantastic. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out. And also, to turn it off, all you do is press this and hold it. And it goes off. Bam. And now you're ready for your next fill up.